Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Gate Diary. Today, I will explain a numerical based on the auto transformer. If you are able to understand this numerical, you can solve all the numerical related to the auto transformer because this numerical contains all the concept you will use in the auto transformer. So, numerical is a 250 kVA, 2500 by 250 volt, two winding transformer is to be reconnected as auto transformer. Okay, there is one transformer of 250 kVA, two winding transformer. This is basically 250 kVA. So this is two winding transformer, 2500 volt primary voltage and 250 volt secondary voltage. These are the dot convention which I wrote here. This is winding AB and this is winding CD. You have to reconnect this two winding transformer into an auto transformer. So there are total four possibilities. There are total four possibilities to reconnect this two winding transformer as an auto transformer. Four possible connections. We will see in all the four possible connection you will get different rating of the auto transformer. The thing is which you have to keep in your mind that the current should not exceed its winding current rating. So how to find out the current rating of each winding, primary as well as secondary? You have to find out the rated current I equal to S by V. How much? You will get something 250 kVA by at primary side, 250 kVA by voltage 2500. You will get primary current. Okay, and this current is 10 amps. Similarly, this is 100 amps. In same fashion, you can calculate 250 kVA by 2. This is secondary current. So, number one possible connection of auto transformer, you can connect in this fashion. This is AB winding, dot is here, A. Similarly, here you can connect winding C and D, dot is here. You have to, this is C and D. This is your primary and this is your secondary. You can connect your load here. Dot shows instantaneous polarity. So this is plus minus and this is plus minus. This is something you have connected two voltage source in series. AC voltage source you have connected in series. So what will be the voltage, additive or subtractive? You will get additive voltage across AB 2500 plus 250. So how much total? 2750 volt. Additive voltage you will get at the primary side, and across this CD voltage is how much? 250 volt. Now in transformer, important thing is in the primary side current enters into the dot. It must leave, current must leave the dot at the secondary side to satisfy the linkage. So the current rating in AB how much? 10 amps. Okay, so current is flowing in this direction. It is entering into the dot. So in secondary side it must leave the dot. The current rating of CD secondary, it is 100 amps. So 100 amps will flow in this direction. So here how much current will flow? Apply the KCL on this node. 10 amps is coming, 100 amps is coming. So here it is 110 amps. Now you can find out its kVA rate. SHV equal to, because rating will be same whether at a low voltage side or high voltage side. So I'm calculating at the low voltage side, 250 into 110. So this is something 27.5 kVA. This is first option of connection. Another option, connection number 2, you can connect in this fashion also. This is C, D, this winding is A, B, load, you can connect here. Okay, so you know the voltage across CD. Here also both the windings are connected in series and voltage will be additive. So here 2750 because across this 250 volt and 2500. So additive voltage is 2750. But here current is, you know, how much current is flowing through CD? 100 amps. So 100 amps will enter into the dot. So it must leave here how much current? 10 amp must leave to satisfy the Lenz law. So 100 amps is coming from this side and 10 amps is coming from this side. So how much current will be here? 110. And what is the voltage across A and B? A and B voltage is 2500. So this is positive, negative. This is positive, negative. That's why I wrote here 2750, because same here, two voltage source are connected in series. That's why I am adding the voltages something like this. That's why I'm writing here 2750 volt, because voltage is adding. Now find out its rating. SLV equal to S. Apparent power will be same. I'm neglecting the loss. So here 2500 into 110, and you will get something 275 kVA. This is the best option to connect at the highest rating, 275. I calculated this kVA at the secondary side. You can find out with the high voltage side also. 2750 into 100. Same here, you will get something 275 kV. Okay, so I think this is the best option which you can connect for maximum rating or maximum capacity of the auto transformer. Number 3 option. Number 3 means you can connect in this fashion. This is winding A and B, and here you can connect D and C. Okay, so dot is here. Now you are connecting your load at secondary side, something here. So this is positive, negative. This is positive, negative. So here you can say some voltage sources, some connected in this fashion, plus minus, and because this winding behaves as voltage source, so this is negative, positive. Now you can say you will get here subtractive voltage. So you will get something 2500 minus 250, 2250 volt. Okay, and here across the CD voltage is 250 volt. Current, here current is how much? 10 amp. Voltage is 2250 volt. AB current rating 10 amps. Entering into the dot, it must leave the dot. Current must leave the dot. How much current through CD? 100 amps. So 100 amps will flow through. Again 100 amps will go. 10 amps entering into the AB winding, entering into the dot. In CD winding, current must leave the dot. And how much current? 100 amps. So you can calculate going 10 amps, 100 amps is coming, and 10 amps is going. Apply the, or you can apply the KCL on this node. 100 amps is coming, 10. So here you will get something 90 amps. So this is 90 amps. Okay. So how much power this load will consume? As LV, how much? 250 into 90, and you will get something 22.5 kVA. You are getting very less capacity, so this is the worst option of connection, because you are getting very less kVA capacity. You can find out at high voltage side also. This is something 2250 into 10. Okay, so you will get 22.50 kVA. Okay, next option, this is also subtractive. You can connect in this fashion. This is C and D. Connect here load. This is the AB winding. A, B. You know the voltage across. This is the plus, minus, and plus, minus. Here also across the load, how much? If you are connecting load here, across the AB voltage is 2500. Okay, and this is CD. So if the voltage is also here subtractive, because you are connecting your winding in this fashion, minus, plus, and again voltage source. This is plus, minus. So here voltage will be subtractive. You will get here 2250. This is 2250. Current through this CD winding, you know how much current will flow? 100 amps. If 100 amps is leaving the dot, it must enter into the dot. Current must enter into the dot. Okay, here it is leaving. Let me change the color of the ink. Here it is leaving. At primary side, current is leaving. So it must enter into the dot to satisfy the Lange law, and you know how much current will enter? 10 amps. Okay. Apply KCL on this node, then you will get the current flow through this load. 100 amps is coming, 10 amps. Here you will get something 90 amps. Okay. So what will be its rating? 2500 into 90. It is 225 kVA. This is also good option. You are getting good kVA capacity. Or you can find out at high voltage side also. 2250 into 100 equal to 225 kVA. Or you can say as high voltage side equal to as low voltage side. How you are calculating it? How you are writing this SHV? This is equal to VH into IH. VH means this is VH and this is IH, and this is VL and this is IL. So SLV, how you will write? IL into VL. So you can say this VH IH equal to VL IL. So VH by VL इक्वल टू IL बाई IH, एंड इसी को आप क्या कहते हैं? टर्न्स रेशियो, ए ऑटो। टर्न्स रेशियो की डेफिनेशन मैंने पहले बताई आपको, हाई वोल्टेज बाई लो वोल्टेज। दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ टर्न्स रेशियो अकॉर्डिंग टू द IEEE स्टैंडर्ड. You can search. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, you can subscribe the channel for the new videos. Okay, thank you.